2,
2.
3.
Tots TV. I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tot TV.
Tom.
And Tiny.
We're the Tots on Tots TV. 1, 2, 3, blue. I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tot TV.
Tom.
And Tiny, we love our house, our secret house.
It's a secret.
It's all right, they're not going to tell anyone.
Lovely donkey.
Our friend Donkey.
I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tot TV.
Tom.
And Tiny.
We stay together every day.
1, 2, 3, blue.
I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tot TV.
Tom.
And Tiny, we take our magic bag with us.
Sac magique, sac magique.
Tilly, it's a secret.
It's time to go now.
Come on.
I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tot TV.
Tom.
And Tiny.
Off we go together now. 1, 2, 3, blue. I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tot TV.
Tom.
And Tiny.
Off we go together now to see what we can see. What will we see?
Qu'est-ce qu'on va voir?
What will we see?
Peekaboo. Oh.
What's he doing?
Je sais ce qu'il fait.
Yeah, I know what he's doing. He's, he's, cleaning the window.
Oui, les fenêtres.
Yeah, the windows.
These windows really are dirty. I shall have to get some more water.
I know what he's doing. He's gone to get some more water. Well, I'm a good window cleaner. Yeah, I'll help him. Now. Clean some windows for him. Now. There, make the windows all nice and clean. Here we are. One window. And one. Oh, shit. Oh.
Oh, these windows are so dirty. I shall have to get some more clean water.
Ah, dirty, dirty window. Make it all nice and clean. There, nice and clean windows. That's how you clean nice windows. Make them all clean.
Tom, stop it. Look, you're making the clean window all dirty.
Ah, Tom, les fenêtres sont sales.
Tom, stop it. Look at the state of it.
Tom, arrête.
What?
Regarde.
Oh. Oh dear. Oh dear. Yes. Oh dear. It's a bit dirty, isn't it?
What's all this dirt on this window? I thought I cleaned this one once.
Tom, what are we going to do?
I shall have to clean it again.
Oh, Tilly. That's terrible. Look, his foot's all wet. Oh, no.
At least we got time to clean the dirty windows.
Yes, but what are we going to clean them with?
Ah, regarde. Sac magique, donne-nous des chiffons pour nettoyer les fenêtres.
Is it working? Oui.
Nice clean cloth for cleaning the dirty window. And a bucket.
Oh, clever old magic bag.
Windows clean, windows bright, whistle while you shine. Windows clean, windows bright,
Till
you get it right. Yeah, nice clean windows.
Wee.
Oh,
These windows seem very clean. I thought they were dirty. I don't believe it. I don't believe that at all. I can't understand that.
it's a picture by...
Angel Lewis.
Aged 5.5.
J'ai un secret magique pour Tiny et Tom. Chut, c'est un secret pour Tiny et Tom. Chut, c'est un secret pour Tiny et Tom. J'ai une surprise pour Tiny et Tom. Chut.
Right, Tiny, have we got everything?
Oh là 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 là. Oh, vite, vite.
Yeah, I've got the bucket.
Yeah, and I've got this.
Oh, good, right.
That's good, isn't it?
Bonjour Tom, bonjour Tiny.
Oh, hello, Tilly.
Hello, Tilly. We're just going to go and look after Donkey. Do you want to come?
Yeah, come on, Tilly.
Non, je ne peux pas. Je suis très occupée.
Oh, right, you're very busy.
Oui.
Oh, all right then. Well, we'll be in the garden if you need us.
D'accord. Au
Right.
revoir.
Bye.
Bye. Here we are, Donkey. Make you nice and clean.
Donkey, food. Tom, what do you think Tilly's busy with?
Don't know, Tiny.
No, I don't.
Tiny,
Yeah.
do you think Tilly's got our secret?
Oh, well, she might have. We could go and have a look.
Yeah, let's go and see, Tiny.
Yeah. Come on then. Come on, Donkey.
Look, Tiny. She's busy doing something.
Oh, yeah. Can you see what she's doing, Tom?
No. She's got all this coloured tissue paper.
Yeah.
She's tearing it up into lots of little bits.
Oh. Tilly, what's all that coloured paper for?
Je ne suis pas prête encore. C'est un secret. Va-t'en.
Oh.
Tidy?
Yeah?
She said she's not ready yet. Come on, we'll have to wait.
Oh, but Tom, why do we have to
Come
wait?
on, Tidy, come on.
Oh.
She said so, Tidy. Tilly said...
C'est un secret pour Tiny et Tom.
Now what's she doing, Tom?
Oh, I know what she's doing, Tiny. She's, she's, closing the curtains.
Why?
Voilà. J'ai un secret magique pour Tiny et Tom. Chut, c'est un secret pour Tiny et Tom. Ah, c'est joli. Voilà, presque fini. Le secret magique est prêt. Tom, Tiny, venez voir.
Yeah, come on.
Tidy, the magic secret's ready now.
Tom, Tiny, fermez vos yeux.
Close our eyes, Tilly.
Oui,
Why?
parce que le secret magique est prêt.
The magic secret is ready.
Close your eyes, Tidy.
Yeah, all
Allez,
right, brilliant.
donne-moi la main, Tom.
Oh, right, take your hand.
Oh, yeah.
Voilà. Allez, venez.
Come on, Tidy.
All right, come in.
Where are we going?
Tu vas voir.
It's exciting.
Oh, I see. Right. Yeah.
Voilà. Ouvrez vos yeux.
That is the most beautiful magic secret I've ever seen.
Wow.
You clever Tilly.
Oh, Tilly, you use that paper to make lovely coloured patterns on the window.